Okay, guys, so I'm cheating today. I'm being totally honest. I'm cheating, okay? It's soup month, but we all know a thick soup is more like a chili. So really, I'm doing the chili today.
Welcome to the kitchen. Get ready, let's go. It's cooking with Jack. Put on a tasty show.
So today's episode is called Widowmakers White Creamy Chicken Chili. I'm just telling you, if you want it to be more like a soup, add more chicken broth. That's all. Loosen it up a little bit. I don't even know if I'm using chicken broth, but if you add chicken broth to this recipe, it'll be more soup-like. I like thick, I like chunky, I like loads of meat. This recipe looks so good that we're gonna cheat. So during soup month, we're doing a thick soup. That's what it's called. So the cool thing is, what I love about chilies and soups, you just throw it all together and cook it together. They're all the same. Same formula, okay? But this is gonna have boneless, skinless chicken breast and boneless, skinless chicken thighs. That's what it asks for. Recipes down below. Got some cream of chicken, some salsa verde, onion, shredded cheese, great northern beans, cream cheese, onions for a little decor on top, and then sea salt. They said kosher. I didn't have any on hand. I don't think it really matters. Cumin and chili powder, because like sea salt, kosher salt, coarse salt, they all can interchange. But there you go. So there's your ingredients. Let's start throwing everything in the crock pot and see if this thing's even good. I'll let you know. All right, once again, I love these recipes because you just throw it all together. So first, we're gonna put the onions in. It's not even turned on yet. Okay, make sure you get all the onion pieces. Put that in there. Second, the cream of chicken. Maybe a splash of water to kind of clean that out and get some more. But we'll do that in a minute. Then the whole jar of salsa verde. That comes out nice. All right. Gonna add salt. That's for the whole dish. Okay. Gonna add some chili powder. Since it's a chili, I'm gonna add a lot of chili powder. So let me open up the other side. There we go. Okay. And I gotta tell you guys, this is one of my favorite seasonings, cumin. Or cumin, or whatever your pronunciation is, but I call it cumin. Then we're gonna take our knife, because I can't reach anything else right now. Give it a good mix. Mix it all together. Kind of give it a stir. Okay. There we go. Then you're going to take your chicken breasts. Oh my gosh. Forgot how big chicken breast is. Stick it in there. You got the chicken breast. Fit in all your chicken, your thighs. You're gonna close that up. Cook it on high. Now I'd stir it around every so often. Cook on high, 2.5 hours, okay? And then come on back, and we're gonna do more. Okay, so about an hour into the 2.5 hour cook, go ahead and give it a stir, flip the chicken pieces, get everything moved around, and then finish off the 2.5 hours. Then we're gonna add the rest of the ingredients. We're gonna grab a piece of chicken. Let's grab one of the breasts. All right. Roughly cut up the chicken. And I do mean roughly like that. Okay, all the chicken's being cut up. We're dumping it back in. All the juice, all the bits. Get that back in there. Okay. We're now going to open up the cheese. We're going to dump that in there. Okay, double thing of cream cheese in there, the whole bar. Stick that in there. If you need to, use the same scissors to chop it up. Get it all worked in. Okay guys, we got our beans, Great Northern beans. I'm gonna use the juice out of 1 can. Let it go in. The other one I'm gonna drain. Give it a good mix, make sure all the white beans are in there. Make sure the cream cheese all cut up and easy to melt. Make sure the chicken's chopped. And I'm gonna go probably 30 more minutes. Look at that. That looks beautiful. Get that cream cheese all mixed in. See, there's still chunks of cream cheese. It'll all get mixed in now. Oh my goodness. Looks so good. There we go. So I'm sitting here in the studio editing today's video. I must have not recorded. I must have just tasted the soup and not recorded. So I want to at least tell you how amazing it was, how creamy it was, how cheesy it was, how delicious it was. Tammy loved it. I loved it. It had a great flavor. Big chunks of chicken. If you don't like big chunks, cut it smaller. But I highly recommend the recipe. Don't pass up this recipe. Great for the cold months. Warms your tummy. So enjoy that recipe, and I highly recommend it.